Welcome to session 21 of Teaching Aptitude. Today we are going to learn about the learner-centric methods, but they are a type of cooperative learning. Now, cooperative learning here, we are going to see a few methods that are also learner-centric. So, the first is think, pair, share. This was given by Frank Lehman, and Lyman has told that students first think individually, then they have to discuss with a partner, and then they finally share with a larger group, which is think, pair, share. Then the next jigsaw method was given by Elliot Aronson, and he says that students depend on each other. They break classes in groups, and then each of them assemble a piece of assignment and synthesize their work when finished. Then we have Robin Round discussion or Rally Robin, where a small group of 3 to 5 students are there and they're given a question. Every student goes around the circle quickly sharing ideas or answers written by one, and it is actually a kind of brainstorming session. Then we have peer teaching, where students teach each other. Then we have four corners, where each corner has one dedicated answer. The teacher asks the question and the students can move to either of the four corners. Then we have numbered heads together, where students are divided into groups. Each group is given a specific number, and they get a set of questions to work upon, and students work upon the solutions, and then the teacher randomly calls out a group number. Those students come and they share their answers. Then we have graffiti board, where students express their thoughts freely on a huge writing space. They jot down ideas, questions, or responses. No one talks generally, they just read what others have written, and then at the end they discuss. Now we have reciprocal teaching, which was proposed by Annie Murray, Palinsker, and Anne L. And here students improve this particular type of cooperative learning is where students reading comprehension improves and they act as a teacher in guiding the comprehension of the text. Then there is team scavenger hunt, where of course there are clues or list of tasks given to the children and they have to find out the relevant solutions. Then there is peer editing, where students review and provide constructive feedback on each other's work. So peer editing is somewhat similar to what we had seen, that is peer teaching. Here we just teach each other, but in editing we review their work and give them feedback. Okay. Then we have pair check. Pair check again is type of a peer review, where students work in pairs to assess each other's work, but it is within the time frame of 1 minute. Then we have team pair solo. Now this is a little opposite of what we had seen, that is think, pair, share. It is a strategy where students they work in teams and then solve a problem. Then they get divided into pairs to discuss it further, and then they finally individually demonstrate the understanding. Then we have jigsaw, where it's just like a jigsaw puzzle. So each part of the puzzle is brought together to make the entire puzzle. Similarly, a classroom where students from various cultural backgrounds cooperate by doing different parts of a project to reach a common goal. And team word webbing is where one word leads to another. It is like a train of words. So, for example, I give you a word that is cake, and someone says birthday, then someone says celebration, someone says sweet. So, this all leads to a web of words or a train of words. So, hence, it is team word webbing. Here we end this video, and thank you so much. See you for the next one.